Watch this video to learn how to run the aged receivables and aged payables summary reports to see amounts your customers owe, how much you owe suppliers, and how long payments have been outstanding. Click Reporting. Then choose All Reports. Type Receivable or Payable in the search field. Then choose the Aged Receivable Summary or Aged Payable Summary report. We'll look at the Aged Receivable Summary report in this video, but the Aged Payable Summary report works in the same way. First, choose the report date. This is the date you want to see the value of outstanding customer balances. Click the Date field to use the calendar picker, use the preset options, or set a custom date. In this example, we'll choose End of last month. Next, customize your report. Click Aging Periods to choose how you want Xero to display the information. Xero shows 4 periods of 1 month and sets the column headings as the period number by default, which is a common format to view customer balances. Update the fields to see outstanding customer balances as you'd like. For example, choose to see balances by week, not month. If you choose Date Range as the Aging Period title, Xero changes the column headings to your selected date range instead. Click Apply to save changes. Use the Aging By drop-down to choose to view aged receivables based on their due date or invoice date. The due date shows outstanding transactions in the period they were due. The invoice date shows outstanding transactions in the period you raised them. Click Columns to customize the information shown on the report. Add or remove columns so you see the information that's important to you. For example, add credit limit, email, phone, and primary person details so you can use the report to chase outstanding debts. You can change the report layout by grouping or summarizing the results based on available credit, contact group, credit limit, or total. If you've set up tracking categories, you can also group or summarize by category. Add a filter to refine the report results. For example, choose a particular tracking category if you only want to see debts assigned to a specific part of the business. Or filter to only see customers with a certain credit limit. Click Apply if you make any changes. Use the More button to show or hide the Aging By label. This displays at the top of the report beneath the heading. Decimals. Amounts show to 2 decimal places by default. Clear the checkbox to show only whole numbers. Percentage of total. An extra row that shows the portion of the total amount outstanding by period. Click Update when you're ready to view the report. The Reorder Columns link allows you to choose how the information displays. In this example, we want the contact details to show at the end of the report, so we'll change the order of the columns. Let's take a look at the report to better understand outstanding customer balances. We can see aged columns, for example, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, or less than 1 month, 1 month, 2 months, to see how long payments have been outstanding by time period to help you quickly spot overdue payments. Total. This is the overall total of all outstanding invoices, credit notes, and overpayments. Knowing these details empowers you to chase outstanding payments manage your cash flow more effectively, and keep your business running smoothly. Once you've customized your report, you can save it for next time, so you don't need to customize the default report every time. Click Save As and choose the relevant option. Export the report to share it outside of Xero with others, if needed. Regularly review the aged receivables and aged payables report to understand who owes you money, who you owe money to, and how long it's been due. Keep on top of your customer and supplier balances to ensure your cash flow and your business stay healthy.